So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are starting NCERT exercise 12.1. We will not be discussing right now the question from your NCERT book directly. I'll be taking some of the questions from other reference books. Okay. So please understand now how to find ratio if you have not attended the class yesterday. So you will watch it from beginning now. You will understand everything. Fine. So if you must be remembering, I told you yesterday, when you find out ratio, you do comparison with the help of division. Do you all remember about it? Okay. So today we are finding the ratio related to question. Fine. Suppose the question is only that you have to find out ratio between 80 and 20. No unit, nothing is written, just there are two numbers. Fine. And it is told that you have to find out ratio. So if any two numbers you have, you will find out ratio how? You'll write it down. Ratio is equal to, please remember the method beta. Ratio is equal to the number which is written at first will come up, then division, because I have told comparison with the help of division. So this is division. Second number, what is the second number here? 20. So this would be 18 by 20. Now 18 by 20 is the simplest form or not? It is not. Okay. Can you tell me which table it is? 2. Okay. 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Will it cancel more now? It will not cancel now. So our final answer is 9 by 10. So instead of writing 9 by 10, we will simply write it down 9 ratio. This is the final answer. Remember, ratio will always be written in the simplest form only. Clear? Yes. Only note down this question. Now suppose your question is 3 hours to 30 hours. Now, if you must be remembering, yesterday we have discussed, when we find out ratio, the similar quantity should be there. Okay? So similar quantity means, beta, you have to check that if you have your hours, the second one should also be in hours only. If one is in minute, another one should also be in the minute form only. Fine. If one is in meter, another should be in meter only, not in centimeter as well. Fine. So remember, while finding ratio, you should be having the first step to cross check that whether you have the same units or not. Clear? Now we have the same units here, so no need to do anything. Just find out the ratio, which will come up. May I know? 3. Then upon, then 30. Will it cancel? Which table? 3. 3 ones are, 3 tens are. Will it cancel more now? It will not. So final answer is 1:10. Finished. Now note it down this as well. Now we are moving little bit in the change question now. Fine. Earlier the question which we have done, you have seen we had hours with hours. But if you will find this question, we have hours and another we have in minutes. Fine. So it means what should be the first step? To change. Fine. To change. Now remember, it depends upon you which you find convenient. Do you find hour to minute as a convenient form, or do you find minute to hours it will be the convenient form? So depend upon you only. I am not just forcing you for it. It's totally your choice. आप किसको convert करना चाहते हो? ठीक है? So I am converting right now. 6 hours I am keeping it like this only, and you are knowing 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 180 means 3 hours. So I'm writing here directly 3 hours. Fine. आप चाहो तो इसको भी मिनट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है? It would be multiply by 60. So now ratio, which will come up? 6. Which will come down? 3. Now which table it will cut? 3 only. So 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Answer is 2:1. So students, I gave you these 4 questions, D, E, F and G. First question is 4 kilometer to 1200 meter. ठीक है? You can either convert kilometer to meter or you can also convert meter to kilometer. But it will be more easy when you will solve kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. ठीक है? So 1 kilometer means 1000 meter means 4 kilometer means 4000 meter. It would be 4000 meter to 1200 meter. Now this will be more easy process now. Let's solve this. Just a second. It would be now 4000 by 1200. Without converting, do not write for ratio. ठीक है, पहले conversion करो, then put in ratio. Fine. Up now look at here. I am telling you one more method. If number of zeros are same on the top and number of zeros are same at the bottom, you can cancel it directly. Kaneez, you will not understand, then you will ask ma'am that how it came. I said if the same number of zeros are up and the same number of zeros are down, you can cancel it directly. Okay? What is the number left now? 40 and 12. Now you can know that the table of 10, it can cover it. Okay? So it will give you 4 tens are 40 and 4 threes are 12. Now complete answer would be 10:3. 4. Now next question I gave you 30 minutes to 2 hours. Which number do you find easy to convert? 2 hours. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 2 hours means 120. So this is 120 minutes and this is 30 minutes only. Now let's find out ratio. 30 will be coming up, 120 will be coming down. Now 31s are 30, 34s are. और आप चाहो तो 0 0 कैंसिल करके 3 1s and 3 4s भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो. तो आंसर would be 1:4. Fine. Now question number F I gave you 2 century 3 decades. 2 century and 3 decades. Now remember beta, these are the group of years. Okay? 2 century means 200 years. And 3 decades means 30 years. So when you will find out ratio, 200 will come up, 30 will come down, 1010 will get cancelled, and your answer would be 20:3. Yes. Last question is 2 scores to 3 dozen. Now remember, score is again the group of objects. Okay? 1 score means always 20. So 1 score means 20, then 2 score means 40 articles. Article matlab saman. Okay? Then 3 dozen. A dozen is again a group of objects. 1 dozen में 12 article comes. So 3 dozen means 36. So again 36 article. Article means you can have any object here. Now ratio 40 by 36. Again the table of 4. So here it would be 4 tens are 40 and 4 nines are 36. 10:9 would be the right answer for this particular question. That's all for today.